Hello everyone, welcome to our Russian language adventure. My name is Anne and I will be happy to share my Russian language knowledge with you. Hello everyone.
Привет, Анна.
Hi Anne, I want to learn Russian numbers today.
Great idea, Jack. Хорошая идея, Jack. Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 till 10 in Russian. Let's go. In Russian, 1 is один. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Look, how many bicycles are here?
Один велосипед.
Look, how many apples are here?
1, 2, 3. 3 яблока.
Wow, 3 apples. 3 яблока.
And this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5. 5.
And how many dolls?
7.
What number is this?
7.
Молодец, Джек, правильно, 7. А это?
10.
What number is this?
5.
Молодец, Джек, правильно, 5. А это?
3.
Let's repeat all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, everyone! Now you can count in Russian. Keep practicing, like and subscribe. Пока-пока!